Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here. Sorry, when you just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on general here, just click here on general. It's going to take you to this test. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You come here to auto save videos. Just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color here, it's gone. That's mean auto save videos disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.